going to learn about how to analyze the beam with point load. So we have STAAD.Pro software open here, and we'll click on new project. Then we'll give the name. For example, we are just keeping it point load, and we'll next finish. Now the new windows is here named with point load. Now let us take any beam. To assign beam, we have to assign the coordinate. Now we'll just select on this point. So for that we'll select the node cursor, then we'll select the point, and we will go for translational repeat. Now in translational repeat, we will keep it in x direction, and we just give the spacing. For example, we are giving the spacing of 5 meter. That is the size of the or length of the beam. Now we'll just join these two node with beam. So we'll select this cursor and we'll just join this node. Now we click on general, then we'll go to support, then we'll assign the support. So here no support is assigned. We'll now create it, and we'll just click on add. Now S2 support is created over here. Now we will select node, then we'll do assign to selected node. Yes. Now we have fixed support at one end and free at another end, and now we are going to assign the point load in the free end. Before going to that, we'll assign the property. Let us suppose the beam is of 200 mm by 200 mm. So here no properties are assigned. To assign the property, we'll first define the property. As we told, 200 mm, 0.2 and 0.2, and it's the rectangular beam. Now we'll select the beam, and the property of the beam is 0.2 into 0.2 meter and assign to select. Okay, R1 is here. Then after, we are going to assign the load. In load, we'll click on load case detail, add, then it's dead load, and we'll just name it DL, means dead load. So going to assign the point load, so we'll click on nodal load, then we'll go to y direction. As the load is downward direction, we'll put minus, and we'll, let us suppose we put 5 kilonewton load, then add. Now the load is here, and we have to just click on node cursor, and we will select the node, and we'll select on load and assign to select. So you can see the load over here. Now what all we have to do is we have to just go on analysis. We have to add analysis, perform analysis, click on analyze, then we'll run the analysis. There is no error. Go for post processing mode, then click on beam, click on graph, and this is the shear force diagram. This is the bending moment diagram of the beam, which is shown in this window.